In today's video, I'm going to feature this new solar powered pool light from Poolhacker. This thing will attach to a below ground pool, above ground pool, Intex pools, you name it. This thing is really cool. What a beautiful, sunny Texas day. Of course, it was a monsoon last night. I think we got 2 inches of rain last night, which is, I don't think my grass in my backyard has ever looked better. If you look at my videos over the years, I take pride in my backyard grass. I don't think it's ever looked better since I've lived in this home. So today we are going to talk, first of all, the pool is looking fabulous. The Viver pump is phenomenal. I made that video a couple weeks ago. This thing has been awesome. I'm backwashing less. It's a great pump. So I will link that in the description of this video so you can find my Viver pump video. But today's video is about Poolhacker. They sent me their new solar powered poolside light. Again, this is by Poolhacker. Hey, this nifty little pool shelf, Intex pool shelf is from Poolhacker also. But I'm going to open this box up. I'm going to show you what comes inside. I'm going to show you how to install it and how it works. And at nighttime, this thing's going to light your pool up amazingly, and it has no wires to it. So I want to show you everything that comes inside the box. Now this is set up for an Intex pool. It is also set up for below ground pool, like concrete pool. So this looks like the base here. Here's the little poolside solar light instruction manual. It does come with a little remote. Pull all this out and then I'll show you how it all works. Looks like you got some adhesive, probably for, adhesive sealant for your concrete below ground pool installation. This part here is the light itself. And this is gonna snap in here. We'll do that here in a second. But this is how you squeeze it to the side of the Intex pool. Let's go ahead and push this in here. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Locked in, just like that. Here's your power button, there's the light itself. First off, we're gonna need to get this out in the sun for a while and charge this solar panel up so we can test it at night. I wanna show you the different setups for different types of pool, okay? This right here is for a concrete below ground pool. This slides in here. You adhere this, and it also has screw holes there, but this is what you would adhere to the floor of the wall of the concrete pool below ground. And this slides in, okay? This right here would be for a aluminum sided pool or metal sided pool. So it has a wider wall base, and this just stretches around it. This right here is for my pool. This is for an Intex pool. Snaps in and you adjust it by this knob here and it tightens to the wall. So they give you all three different type of setups for whatever pool you have. Next thing to do is I'm going to set it up on the side of the pool and let it charge up that solar panel so we can test it at night. It is now nighttime. I am out here on top of the deck. You can see my pool lights down below. And it is pitch black out here. All I see is stars. So we are going to test out. I have the remote in my hand. There's the remote skimmer just doing its thing. We're going to go ahead and press power. All right, not bad. Look, this is an Intex pool. This isn't a giant pool. This thing is, I mean, first turning it on seems really strong for, this is an 18-foot round. That is going to add plenty of light to your pool if you're night swimming or letting the kids play. And let's check out some other colors here that they offer. So you got a red. Red is not that bright. This green is very bright. Ooh, the blue looks cool. That kind of matches my outside lights. There's the blue. We got a yellow. There's another green. There's like a purple. There's like another blue. It looks a little different to my eye than it shows up through my phone, but that's okay. Here's a couple functions that it does. So it has like strobe setting, it has a flash setting, and it has a smooth transition setting. That is the smooth transition setting right there. It'll just go through all the different colors nice and smooth. Again, this one is more of a, if you're having a party with the kids and they're having fun in the pool, you can put the flash on. And this one is more of a strobe. There's a timer on the bottom of the remote, but here's also brightness. So let me set it on a fixed color here. There's the blue. So you have a low light setting, a mid setting, and a brighter setting. So not bad. I mean, it's a small light. It's solar powered. The cool thing I really like about this light is there's no wires connecting to the pool. It's just powered by the sun. And this is perfect for a backyard Intex pool. I do not want to forget, you can't see it here, but I'll show you a picture of daylight. On the very bottom, there is a 1 hour, a 2 hour, a 3 hour. So you can set that, push it, and it's going to set and it'll shut off in 2 hours. That's going to put a wrap on another video. I think this light from Poolhacker is really pretty good. For a solar light, you can't ask for much more. It is plenty bright enough in the pool. It is very cost effective. It's not very expensive. I will link it in the description. Huge thank you to Poolhacker for sending me this product to test out. I've gotten so many products over the years from Poolhacker, and I don't have an issue with any of them. So thanks again for watching another video. And if you check out this light, let me know in the comments if you like it yourself. And y'all have a great day and enjoy the rest of the pool season.